My name is Nicole Vitola, and I stand here today as a member of these hardworking, resilient, and dedicated frontline casino workers. We have been the driving force and backbone of the Atlantic City casino industry since 1978, when casinos first opened their doors to the public. Personally, I've been a table games dealer in this industry for well over 20 years. And even though the smoke always bothered me, I tolerated it because I knew the rest of the service industry had to tolerate it as well. In 2006, the Surgeon General of the United States, along with the state of New Jersey, declared secondhand smoke to be hazardous to the rest of the non-smoking population. As a result, New Jersey passed the Smoke-Free Air Act, which prohibited smoking in every indoor place of public access, including workplaces, bars, and restaurants. Unfortunately, for all of us, it excluded the casino floor, the place where we spend 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. On a daily basis, we are faced with toxic smoke inches away from our faces without the ability to walk away, turn our heads, or wave the smoke away. During that time, I worked through 2 pregnancies, all while anxiously wondering what harm the secondhand smoke was doing to my unborn children. You would think that the casino would accommodate a pregnant dealer so that they wouldn't have to work directly in the smoke. They did not. Once, while I was noticeably pregnant, I was put in a private room where I had to deal with a group of VIPs who were all smoking cigars. As much as I wanted to just walk out, I couldn't quit. I had a baby coming. This is just one of the many stories that these workers and I have about the terrible and often hostile working conditions we face every day. Back then, I couldn't protect my child, but I will protect the future children of these workers. As you can see here today, we are a very diverse group of people. Many were born in other countries where they had to escape their own oppressions in order to have a better life here. For many of these workers, English is their second language, so they are unable or afraid to speak up for fear of losing their jobs. We will not be intimidated or bullied into submission. These are the people for whom I speak. They are for who I'm fighting for and who I humbly represent. Not only do I want justice for them, but for myself as well. The Smoke-Free Air Act was passed 17 years ago. It has been 17 extra years of our brothers and sisters getting sick. 17 years of cancer diagnoses. 17 years of watching our coworkers and our friends die. I want to thank the entire Health Committee, Senator Turner and Senator Vitelli, for your unwavering support for getting this bill the attention that it deserves. Thank you to the multitude of legislators from both committees and both House chambers who signed on as co-sponsors. I'm extremely grateful for the unanimous resolutions in the towns that represent where most of these casino workers live in favor of our bill. I'm excited to watch this legislative process bring hope for dignity and justice to all the casino frontline workers. I hope that now you all have a better understanding of what we go through on a daily basis when working in this environment. We are good, hardworking people just like you. All we are asking for is to be treated equally and to be included in the New Jersey Smoke-Free Air Act. What was tolerated in the past has now become intolerable, especially since COVID. The pandemic has shined a spotlight on public health and redefined what is truly important. We know better and we must do better. The people in this room right now have the opportunity to save lives. You have the power to set a new standard that prioritizes workers' health and safety for the casino industry, not just in New Jersey, but for the rest of the country. I know this current legislative leadership will do the right thing and move this bill forward. Thank you.